Okay, we are now very successful in working with our user interface. So we just now need to move up our Facebook icon. So to do that, we will be using the same logic where we change the alignment or constraints of this object. We're going to make storyboard, select your Facebook icon. So if you select this horizontal line, it will show you here in the left panel white icon PNG center Y. So this means it's centered vertically. Y means vertically. So we must create the IB outlet connection in order to access this constraint. Let's call assistant editor. You can hold Ctrl and left mouse click drag from here or from here, whatever you prefer. Here, in case if you see it in this way, go to manual automatic login VC. Okay, so hold Ctrl left mouse click, drag it here. I'll name it white icon image view underscore Y because it's a center Y constraint. Okay, excellent. So we will now go to our login VC and we will manipulate it. Here we go. So here we write white icon image view underscore Y dot constant we will add, in this case we are deducting, in that case we will be adding, I'll explain you why, plus 50 pixels, and here we will deduct it white icon image view underscore Y constant deduct 50 from current value. Okay, so why here we subtract and why here we add? Okay, I'll go again to sketch to show it to you. So this is, let's say, our view, the storyboard. This is the image view. Okay, and this is, let's say, the white one. For the cover, what we are doing, we are sticking it to the top, we are sticking it to the left and to the right, and what we do, we keep the same height. So this is how our constraints look like actually. So like this. So we stick it to the top, left, right, and we're keeping the same height. So in this case, we are deducting 75 pixels. It will be 28. So we are moving it up like this. So this is what we have done by deducting. But why in this case we need to add 50, for example? Let's say when we move it up, that one we are adding a constraints to it, because with the case with the icon we don't have a top constraint, so we need to deduct it. No, we don't have. In our case we are having that constraint vertically and horizontally to be centered. So to that one we will add 50 pixels because it's considered from the bottom to move it up. So that's why we are adding 50 pixels. Okay, we can now build and run. Here we go. Okay, so I think it went down. I don't know why. Okay, let's now have a look on this. Let's try here subtracting 50 pixels. Okay, so Okay, in this case, just ignore what I told you previously because we have created a wrong constraint for this, but no problem, it can still be working. Okay, so instead of deducting 50, let's try here writing 25. Here we go. So this is exactly what we need. But here is one more effect what I would like to do. So I want, while hiding these hands, also to move up and hide these hands while moving up. So we won't have this one. Okay. So for that purpose, we are going to hands, select your hands, select the top constraint of this. That's the one, top call assistant editor. Let's create an outlet connection. We will call it hands image view underscore top, the top constraint. We will now navigate to login view controller, and we want it to be synchronously with our cover. And here we write hands image view top constant deduct same 75 pixels, and here we will add these pixels. Hands image view top constant add 75 pixels. Okay, so in this case we need to add here 50 pixels. And here we deduct 50 pixels because hands, when we move hands, the icon moved, the Facebook icon moved also. So now you see, now it works fine. So because whenever we move up hands, this icon is also moved up because this icon is aligned according to the hands image. So now you see how beautiful and excellent it looks like. So congratulations guys, this is really amazing job you have done with the user interface behavior.